Part 7 is now in session. Now we're gonna do arc bridges.
Ready?
My controller keeps going on that bad thing. I don't know why that is. I don't know what that smell is. Wow. Let's see what happens if I can do this part right here. There's the banana bunches, and I'm gonna collect them. I'm gonna collect them now. And there we go, we're done with the stage. And so we got one more stage to go here. We got one more stage left here. Yeah, I'll do a twist and spin, I guess. So we're gonna wrap up this world. Because we're going to the next world, which will be Inside a Whale. And then after we're going to World 5, which I'm gonna do Exam B. Stay tuned for that. And also, if you haven't seen my other parts of Super Monkey Ball Deluxe, the story mode, I've uploaded 6 parts, so if you haven't, feel free to check them out. I definitely recommend it. What the hell was that? Oh, that's like a different stage. That one's tough. I'm not even gonna bother. Not even gonna bother with this stage. I'll do Cascade. Here's Cascade. The reason why I switched stage is because of what I was trying to do was tough. So, not even gonna bother with that. And after this stage, we're gonna watch the next scene. What the hell was that?
Ready?
I did take this shortcut. That worked out pretty good. There we go. Alright, now let's watch the next scene here. This is actually scene number 3. Well, scene 3/4, whatever it is. Now let's read the captions. It's been hours since I came in here. Those monkeys must have given up by now. I will head out for my hideout to plan my revenge. We finally found you, Dr. Baboon. Give back our bananas. Imp! You're still here! I can't believe it! Why do I have to do it to get you monkeys off my back? Oh well. It's time I bid we adieu. Bye now! So long, everyone! Dr. Baboon! I'll get you! Oh! I can't believe! I think I'm gonna die. My air's almost out, and I'm only halfway there. Why are you so tired? Anyway, it's time to give up. You can't get away from us. Eek! Aye aye! Look out behind you! Come on, Dr. Baboon. I'm not going to fall for that trick. You're planning on running as soon as I turn my back, aren't you? Uh-oh. Oh, I remember the scene. Oh my. Wow, wow. I think I wet myself. Ah, help! Aye. Oh boy, it's too late now. Hang on, everyone. After the scene, we're gonna do one stage here. I think we're in trouble. The whale swallowed us. Am I gonna have to stay here for the rest of my life? But on the bright side, it may be a good thing since I will be staying with my sweet Mimi. Ew! I can't stand it! Let me out! Get me out of here! Get me out of here now! Don't worry, we've got a way to escape. All of us, except for Dr. Baboon, that is. We are starving? Good. Let us cooperate.